Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel Ayur Mudra Yoga. Now, today I am going to discuss you about weight gain with Mudra therapy. So now I got some mails and comments regarding how to increase the weight with Mudra therapy, because many of the persons they tried many foods or doing exercise and they cannot gain any weight because their body is like that. According to Ayurveda, the body can be divided into three, that is Kapha increased body, or Pitta increased body, or Vada increased body. So the body or the metabolism or the circulation, hormone production, these are depend on one person. So if a person eat more and more, then there will be less change in his body, like 1 or 2 kilo may be increased within 1 month, like that. After that, if he discontinue the food pattern, then again also the body will go to the same pattern. So here I am going to discuss about the weight increase for the lean guys, how to increase the weight, how to increase more muscular. This is not only for boys, both for girls and boys, and unlike anybody can try this mudra, and without any age. For kids to older person, they can try this mudra. There is no side effect for this mudra that much. One side effect is it will increase the kapha in the body. So I will tell detail. So this is an easy process. You can do 15 to 20 minutes daily. Here I am going to tell two mudras for the weight gain. So within 2-3 days you can feel the weight gain when doing this mudra, and preferably this mudra can be do in morning time. So if morning you doesn't have time, then you can do in another time also, but better before doing the mudra your stomach must be in empty state, or don't do the mudra gently after having a meal, and don't do gently after the bathing also, and also don't wear any ornaments in hands while doing the mudra. These are the things I already discussed, and once more I am discussing. These are the things don't do while doing the mudra therapy. So now I am going to tell you the two mudras. One is Aditi Mudra and another is Vriddhi Mudra. So both these mudras are doing with thumb and ring finger. So thumb finger represent the Agni element in the body, and ring finger represent the Prithvi element in the body. So these two mudras represent the Prithvi element, and it will decrease the Agni element in your body. So when the Agni element decrease, the weight gain will happen. So these mudra will increase the total metabolism. Now I will demonstrate the process. Once more namaste to my channel. I will do the demonstration. So now if you need to increase more weight, then you can practice this mudra, but the same process, and the spine must be straight. And another thing is both do this mudra on both hands. So these two mudras I will demonstrate. The first one will be Aditi Mudra. So first I will demonstrate the Aditi Mudra. So here we are using only the touch of the fingers. Now sit on the Padmasana position. Better you can sit in any position, but your spine must be straight. Better I will prefer in morning you can do it in Padmasana position or Sukhasana position or Vajrasana position according to your wish. But Padmasana is best position. And remove all the ornaments in your hands. Now you can do Padmasana in cross leg or normal leg position, that is also convenient for you. Which one is convenient? Now we are using two fingers for this purpose, that is ring finger, and the next one is our thumb. So both fingers are using for this purpose, and we are doing on both hands. In this mudra therapy, our fingers are always touched. Don't put the fingers widespread. And now the process is tip of the thumb must be touch on the base of the ring finger. This is a specialty. There see the ring finger base. So we must touch the tip of the thumb must be touched on the tip of the ring finger. So the ring finger denotes the Prithvi and thumb denotes the Agni element heat. So this mudra will decrease the heat on the body and increase the kapha of the body. So these four fingers must be straight and touched. Don't put it wide spread. It must be like this. This is Prithvi mudra. You need to do this on both hands, and you can make the hand rest on your knees. And the spinal cord must be straight, and better you can put sit in Padmasana, and you can do the Aditi mudra on both hands. Basically, you can do this mudra for 15 to 20 minutes daily, and don't spread the fingers like this. Always make these fingers like this. So this is the Aditi mudra. And next one is I'm going to tell you about Prithvi mudra. You can do both the mudras daily, or you can try only Aditi mudra according to your wish. If you do both the mudras together, then it will be more benefit. Now I will tell you about Prithvi mudra. Prithvi mudra is also to increase the Prithvi element in the body and decrease the Agni element in the body. So here also we are using the same pattern. We are using ring finger and thumb finger. So here we are using only the tip. Previous one you are using the base, and now we are using the tip. So the mudra is like this. The tip of the thumb finger must be touched on the tip of the ring finger. This is Prithvi mudra. Don't give hard pressure, only slight pressure only need to give. Small soft touch is needed, don't give hard touch. So this is Prithvi mudra. Touching of the tip of thumb with the touching of tip of the ring finger. This is Prithvi mudra. So this mudra is also need to do in both hands daily. So you can do in Padmasana with sitting on the Padmasana position, and the palm face must be faced upwards. Don't do in downward position. So better you can rest this on the knees. If you don't have time in morning, you can do it in a free time, but your spine must be straight. So this is Prithvi mudra. You can practice this mudra daily. Any two mudras together or one mudra, any mudra. This will increase the blood circulation and decrease element in the body, and it will increase the metabolism and hormonal production. So after the mudra, you can see the result within 2 days. Definitely you can see the result within 2 days, and shiny skin also come. Those who having wrinkled skin can also try this mudra. The cells become nourished, and body become more nourished and fluidy. So those who wish to gain weight, they can practice these two mudras. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I wish everybody have a good life, healthful, fruitful life. Thank you. I will definitely come with another video. Thank you.